Hi everyone, welcome back to Leighton Vans. Now we've got a really exciting product launch in this video, and as you can probably tell, it is to do with brakes. Now there's quite a bit of chat around big brake kits and things like that for the vans, you know, are they worth it, this, that and the other. Now what we've done is we have worked extremely closely with the guys at EBC Brakes to develop this specific Leighton Vans big brake kit for the VW Transporter. Now this kit is absolutely brilliant. As you can see, we've just been fitting one today on our new demo van. Now the performance on these brakes, especially on a long wheelbase van with some weight in the back of it, if you've got a camper conversion or you've got like the steel pod which has got all your camping gear in and everything like that, the standard brakes can be a little bit useless, I think. So yeah, we've gone down the route of a big brake kit. Now like I say, EBC, probably the biggest brake manufacturer in the game. Very proud of their work in this country, because all of this that you see in front of us is all manufactured, designed, developed in the UK, which I think is absolutely brilliant. It means less lead times for us getting stock in, and also that the technical guys that we need to speak to, if we ever need to speak to them, are only about an hour and a half down the road from us. So absolutely love the fact that these are made in the UK, and absolutely love the fact that EBC have worked with us on this to develop such an absolutely amazing kit. So I'll just give you a little bit of a run through of what we've got. So obviously we've got two front discs, and they're 355mm. And then in front of those we've got the calipers with the Leighton branding on there. Now these are 6-pot calipers. So 6-pot calipers, 355mm discs. Moving down from that, we've got obviously the braided lines. You get all the fitting kit, everything that you need to fit one of these. You've got the caliper brackets down there, and you've got the little pad holders as well. Little thing about stuff like this is that depending on what pads you're running, or depending on your personal preference, you don't have to run these pad holders. My demo van, I don't run these, just because sometimes if I want to swap to blue stuff pads and things like that, a bit of a harder pad, it stops the pad from catching on the disc. So as you can see, what we've got here is we've got obviously the box full of pads. Now, went through a couple of different pad options with EBC for these kits. Started off with the blues, performed exceptionally well, and I mean really, really well. But in my opinion, they were a little bit too hard, created a little bit too much dust and things like that for people. If you've got these really nice wheels on that you're spending a lot of money on, last thing you want is covering them in too much brake dust. However, they are available. We can get the blue stuff pads with these kits. If you want them specking like that, then just give us a shout, and that is no problem at all. Like I say, the performance on the blue stuff pads is incredible. Obviously what we've chosen as a final is the yellow stuff pads, which are just a brilliant all-rounder. The performance of the brakes with the yellow stuff pads is still absolutely exceptional, but they're not as noisy, and they don't create as much dust. So I've ran both. I've ran both on my van, blue and yellow stuff. My personal preference would be yellow. However, like I say, blue stuff, they are available, or any of the other EBC pads that are compatible with this kit, we can get for you. That is not a problem. So yeah, obviously we've fitted one today to our demo van. We'll cut to a little bit of footage of that. What I really like as well is a nice little touch from EBC is this little certificate of authenticity. So this gives you an exact serial number for this kit. It gives you what colour it is, and it even gives you a little signature, a hand, that's not printed, that's handwritten signature of who has manufactured this kit in the UK, which I think is brilliant, because it means that if you ever have any niggles, any issues, you want to chat to EBC about something, you can give them this information and they can jump straight on and they'll know exactly which kit you're talking about. So that's a really nice little touch from EBC there. But yeah, massive shout out to EBC, obviously one of the biggest brake manufacturers, all made in the UK and still privately owned as well, which is just what we love. We love supporting these UK businesses. It's brilliant, and it's brilliant to see what these guys are doing as well. Now, there is also if you head onto EBC's channel, social media channels, there is a Cars and Coffee morning in May, I believe. So if you're watching this past May, then apologies you've missed it, but I'm sure they will be doing another one. But yeah, if you want to come and have a look at these kits on a van, I will be coming down to EBC headquarters for that Cars and Coffee morning and showcasing the Leighton Vans EBC Big Brake Kit on there. But yeah, so this is it. This is the EBC Leighton Vans Big Brake Kit. They're available now. We've got a couple of different colours. We've got the blue, the dark blue that's sat in front of us. We've got a yellow, a red and a black as well. So the black if you want something a little bit more subtle on your van, or obviously we've got the coloured calipers which will work with the different coloured vehicles that we sell. Now, one thing to also mention with these Leighton EBC Big Brake Kits is that we have got exclusivity across the UK and Europe for these kits. So if trade enquiries are welcome as well to all you camper converters and sports van converters out there, we are going to be the distributor for the UK and Europe for the Leighton Big Brake Kit. Now, if you want to purchase them, they're available on the website to purchase, and we will send them out and you can have them fitted locally. We're also offering them as an upgrade service for when someone purchases a vehicle from us. So you're more than welcome to come and purchase a vehicle and upgrade to the Leighton Big Brake Kit on the front of there as well. And obviously it is available as an upgrade service for you to bring your van into us, and we will do the full fitting, and also we will do the bedding in process for you as well on those. Now, like I say, if you want any more information at all, you want to come and have a drive in our demo van that's got these kits fitted, then just drop us a message on social media, pick up the phone and give us a call, or drop us an email to service@leightonvans.co.uk. Like I say, these, you need to come and drive a van and feel the difference compared to the standard brakes, especially if you carry some weight around in your van. They make a huge difference. But yeah, we hope to see you guys down here and having a go in our demo van very soon. Thank you.